Who would have thought? Two of the biggest rivals in the tech industry, Intel and AMD, are now joining forces to strengthen the x86 ecosystem. Decades of fierce competition have surprisingly led to this unprecedented collaboration. Intel and AMD recently announced their collaboration to create the x86 Ecosystem Advisory Group, a new advisory group aimed at strengthening and unifying the x86 ecosystem. This architecture has been the backbone of PCs and servers worldwide for decades, and now it's at a pivotal moment. But what sparked this major move? Intel and AMD are feeling the pressure from the rising popularity of other computing architectures, especially ARM. ARM's lightweight and power-efficient architecture is gaining ground across various sectors, from smartphones to enterprise servers. The innovation coming from ARM poses a significant threat to x86's dominance, prompting Intel and AMD to join forces and ensure that x86 stays competitive. With this new partnership, the x86 Ecosystem Advisory Group will focus on several key goals. First, they aim to enhance compatibility between hardware and software. Second, they want to accelerate the adoption of advanced technologies, such as artificial intelligence and cloud computing. Additionally, the group will simplify architectural guidelines, ensuring that software development within the x86 ecosystem becomes more consistent and efficient for developers. It's not just Intel and AMD. Some of the biggest tech companies in the world, Microsoft, Google, Meta, HP, Dell, Oracle, along with open source communities like Linux and Epic Games, are also founding members of this advisory group. Prominent figures like Tim Sweeney from Epic Games and Linus Torvalds, the creator of Linux, are also lending their support. Intel CEO Pat Gelsinger stated that this is a historic moment for the x86 architecture. According to him, we are on the verge of one of the most significant changes in x86 history. Gelsinger also mentioned that this collaboration will bring a new level of customization, compatibility, and scalability that's needed to address the computing demands of today and the future. Gelsinger also mentioned that this collaboration will bring a new level of customization, compatibility, and scalability that's needed to address the computing demands of today and the future. What do you think about this major partnership? Can x86 continue to compete in the face of growing challenges from architectures like ARM? Let us know your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share if you enjoyed this content. See you in the next video.